Hey guys, this is my TechHD here back with another video. So in this video I'll show you how to increase your uTorrent download speed. This works for both Mac and Windows, so let's get started. First up, open up your uTorrent. Now you'll have to go to the uTorrent preferences section. So into your preferences section you will see the BitTorrent tab. So there you'll have to change a few settings. For the global limit, set it to 2329, and for the per torrent limit, set it to 450. So now active transfers limit are 63, and active downloads limit are 60, and make sure that the outgoing encryption is enabled. So now after you're done with the BitTorrent tab, you'll have to go to the network tab, and here you'll have to randomize the port number until you get a number that starts from the 4. So now keep clicking randomize. Now you'll get some port number that starts from 4. So when you're done with it, that's all you need to do, guys. These are the basic steps that will increase your download speed to the maximum. So you can see that before I had 1.1 MB per second download speed, and after I changed all the settings it stays to 4.3 MB per second. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe, like and comment for more videos. Peace.